Can I respond to that? See, every act or every law defines that how long you have to maintain the record. It is, written in black and white. If you find any authorities violating, there are, places, portals where you can lodge your grievances. Now there's a PM the grievance portal, If you find somebody is flaunting, rules for ulterior motive, nobody prevents you. You can do that. I think that, or you can probably, escalate it to his superior. I think, things will settle. You were talking about advance authorization, that if somebody is given a sign-on now, then why should somebody see the consumption? I think that's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
See, actually, all the export promotion scheme that is run world over, it is governed by, there is an agreement called agreement of subsidy and countervailing measures. ये WTO का बनाया हुआ है। उसमें ये है कि जो exemption which you indirect tax आप लेते हो, that should be limited to only that quantity of input which you use in export production. अगर आपको 10 लगेगा, अगर आपने 12 पे ले लिया, तो that जो extra to have will be countervailed by other country if they launch an investigation against India, and that keeps on happening. So इसी के लिए to have a discipline, there is a system of consumption utilization register that is asked कि अगर आपको सायन में 20% दिया हुआ है और आपको 5-10% ही अगर आपको requirement है, your entitlement will be limited to 10% only, whichever is less.